Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the review tab of the Microsoft Office Word. So first option is the proofing option. Let's say if you want to check spelling and grammar, okay, there are also customized dictionaries available. There are also software such as Grammarly, Quillbot, etc., which can be integrated in the form of add-ins in the Word MS Word systems. For example, there are some of the words which are actually not used in, which are not English. For example, given here Pathshala, Vidyarthi Mitra. For that, you can create your own custom dictionary by just selecting, let's just select Vidyarthi Mitra and add to dictionary. Okay, this is how you can create your own custom dictionary also. Okay, next function is the thesaurus. Okay, for example, Thesaurus if you want to add something more information regarding the same. Next one is the word count. It gives us number of pages, number of words, characters without spaces and with spaces, paragraphs, and the number of lines. Okay, you can include or exclude footnotes, endnotes, etc. This function is basically read aloud function. It is there in the newer versions. Okay, this is there in the newer versions. This option is the accessibility options. It helps us to make the document more accessible. Okay, this function is the translate function. This works best when you are using the online versions of MS Office. Okay, this one is the proofing language options. You can select the proofing language options. In the past videos we had already discuss the comment options. For example, I want to comment here, just click on select and click on new comment. Just going to type the hi. Okay, this is how the commenting function works. Next, show comments, etc. So now one of the, you can say, very helpful function here is the next option is the tracking option. So by turning on the tracking option, okay, I have started the tracking function on. Let us add some content here. As you can see here now, in this case, a red line appears here. In your case, a black line may also appear. It depends from the version to version which you are using. For example, I'm going to delete this internet word. Okay, for example, I'm going to delete this biology word from here, and let us select here all markup options. Now as you select these options, you can see here, from here you have deleted the internet word, and from here you have deleted the biology word. It also gives us this idea also. Okay, few seconds, etc. Now, for example, I'm going to select this and go to home and change its style. As you can see, this is also changed here also. Again, going towards the review tab, and whatever, if you want to keep the simple markup, you can use this, or you want to just keep the original one, okay, or no markup. Okay, this is how it actually looks. So by using the track changes option, it keeps the track of changes which are done to this document. Okay, and this is especially useful if the document is almost done and you are done with others to make revisions or provide your or her his or her feedback also. Okay, this is how it works. Now reviewing pan vertical, reviewing pan horizontal, you can choose whichever you like. I personally prefer the vertical option. Okay, and simple markup options, it depends from person to person. Okay, so this is how the track changes works. So I'm going to disable the track changes right now. Okay, and close this and I'm going to simply select the no markup. Okay, now these are the accepted. If you comment, okay, if you want to accept or reject, let us reject this. Okay, I want to accept this change, and I let us reject and change. Okay, so these are the some of the options: accept and reject. This is how it works. Now one of the interesting option is this is of a use of this compare function, where you can compare two versions of a document, where you can compare the two versions of a document. So let us check how it works. I have already created the second copy of this document, but the formatting is little different. Let us select the original. Let us use this as your original document. Let us use this as your original document. And the second one, microbiology, is your revised document, and just click on OK. It will ask for the comparison, for the purpose you have been accepted, and so I just going to click on yes. So you can see the original document, compared document, you can see simultaneously here. Okay, this helps us. Let's say I had received some, let us say something essay from you. Okay, I had suggested some of the changes. I had suggested some of the changes. I will be having a original file, and you will be also making some of the changes and sending the revised version. Now I want to check what changes you have made. Okay, I want to check what changes you have made. This can be done using this compare option. Using this compare option. Okay, this is how compare function actually works. Okay, now let us start with the next option, which is the combine function. Now let us combine two document. I'm going to select again unit 1 and second document is microbiology. Now let us check what happens. Okay, now this is the combined version of both the document. So the things here are not duplicated. Okay, so the things which are seen here are not duplicated, and you can see the number of revisions which are there between the two different documents also. So this is how the combined document function works. Okay, so by using this restricted editing function, okay, by using this I can limit formatting and just yes, and I can create the password, or optional, it's an optional thing, and you can protect your document. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.